Elon Musk just sent shockwaves through every aviation boardroom in the USA. Well, the exciting thing to do would be some sort of electric vertical takeoff and landing supersonic. I've got an entire design for an electric supersonic vertical takeoff jet. While Boeing executives thought he was just dreaming out loud, Tesla was already flight testing the prototype that's about to destroy their entire industry. And at $79,797, Elon Musk just made private aviation accessible to every American who's been priced out by a broken system for decades. And today, we are giving an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at this game-changing electric plane that has traditional manufacturers panicking. If you want to be part of the first 2,000 visionaries following this journey, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's take off together. One, how does Tesla design this plane to land on your backyard lawn? Forget runways. Your backyard is now your launch pad. Tesla's super electric plane lands where you live, redefining where you can go. For men who crave ultimate convenience, this plane brings the skies to your doorstep. Feel the pride of landing at home on your terms and exploring anywhere your heart desires. So, how can a plane turn your lawn into a personal airstrip and unlock destinations you never thought possible? Here's the engineering breakthrough that makes this sound like science fiction, but operates on pure physics. Tesla's advanced eVTOL mechanism deploys 8 high-efficiency tilt-rotor motors that enable vertical takeoff and landing requiring only a 50 by 50-foot flat space. Think about that for a moment. That's just 2,500 square feet, which account for only 10.7% of the average yard size in the United States, which measures about 23,331 square feet. Your backyard barbecue area is probably bigger than Tesla's landing requirements. This isn't some distant dream. This is mathematical reality backed by Tesla's proven electric motor technology that's already revolutionized ground transportation. The magic happens through motors that pivot seamlessly between vertical lift for takeoff and landing, then transition to horizontal thrust for cruising, all controlled by artificial intelligence with 98% precision. Advanced sensors continuously scan the landing zone in real time, automatically adjusting for uneven terrain or obstacles like trees, garden sheds, or that basketball hoop your grandson left up. The system ensures a smooth descent every single time. Whether you're landing on perfectly manicured Kentucky bluegrass or that slightly sloped area behind your workshop, this technology is redefining destinations entirely, as you can now land at private estates, remote lake houses, or secluded campsites, places where traditional planes simply cannot reach. This breakthrough unlocks 90% of United States vacation properties as viable destinations, which is absolutely perfect for seniors' travel-heavy retirement plans. Tesla's lawn-friendly design proves they thought about everything practical homeowners actually care about. The lightweight carbon fiber frame weighs just 1,600 pounds, creating ground pressure of only 5 pounds per square inch, which is actually less than your riding lawnmower's 10 pounds per square in that you use every weekend. Your grass will be safer under Tesla's aircraft than under your John Deere. The retractable landing pads feature adaptive suspension that distributes weight evenly across the surface, preventing any turf damage that would upset your homeowner's association or your wife's prize-winning garden. So, do you think this design will be a game changer for the masses? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to type the keyword game changers if you truly believe Tesla just rewrote the rule book for personal flight. And for seniors who want maximum convenience with minimal complexity, Tesla designed an automated landing mode that requires absolutely no pilot input, which is ideal for older pilots who want to enjoy flying without the stress of complex approaches. Consider this. The Federal Aviation Administration currently requires 40 hours of actual flight training to earn a private pilot license in 2025. But Tesla's automation handles the most challenging aspects of flight operations. After landing, those foldable wings retract to fit in a standard 20 by 20 foot garage space, making storage as simple as parking your truck. The range capabilities will absolutely blow your mind. Tesla achieves a 500 m range per charge using their revolutionary 2250 super aluminum-ion battery technology. easily covering cross-country trips like New York to Miami's 100m distance without stopping. Imagine departing your backyard in Connecticut and landing at your winter home in Florida for lunch, all while never dealing with airport security, flight delays, or cramped commercial seating. Here's the exclusive angle that separates Tesla from every other manufacturer. Unlike other eVTOL companies like Joby that focus on airport-centric models designed for urban taxi services, Tesla's plane is specifically engineered for personal spaces. This gives seniors the unprecedented freedom to land anywhere from their backyard to a remote mountain retreat with unmatched ease and zero infrastructure requirements. Now, we want to hear from you. What would it mean to you to skip every airport hassle and land directly at your destination? Drop Tesla did it in the comments if you think Elon just solved the biggest problem in personal transportation. But here's what will really get your attention. What if your plane could keep you connected to the world from the clouds? Stay tuned, because what I'm about to show you next will change everything you thought you knew about flying. 2. How does a near-infinite range change the game for long-range adventures? Are you thinking of flying from coast to coast without a single stop? Well, Tesla's solar-augmented wings make range limits a relic of the past. For men who dream of epic quests or cross-country adventures or coastal escapes, this plane lets you chase the horizon without boundaries. Feel the thrill of limitless exploration. Here's the engineering marvel that makes this possible. And it's not some futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now in Tesla's Advanced Materials Lab. Ultra-thin, flexible photovoltaic panels measuring just 0.1 millimeters thick are seamlessly embedded across the wing's upper surfaces, covering 400 square feet of collection area. These panels capture sunlight without adding significant weight, contributing less than 50 pounds to the aircraft's total mass. This breakthrough draws directly from 2025 solar technology advancements that Tesla has been quietly perfecting for their residential solar roof program. Except now they weaponize it for aviation. The real genius lies in how these solar panels integrate with Tesla's foldable wing design without compromising functionality. The wings fold for garage storage using a sophisticated hinge system with integrated micro-connectors that maintain solar panel circuitry integrity throughout every folding cycle. When folded, the panel's flexible substrate constructed from a revolutionary graphene-based polymer bends without cracking while retaining 100% efficiency. Tesla has tested this system through 10,000 folding and unfolding cycles, proving durability that exceeds the aircraft's projected 20-year service life. A protective nano coating seals the panels, preventing wear during repeated folding operations, which means your aircraft maintains peak solar performance. Whether it's soaring over the Rocky Mountains or stored next to your Silverado, the performance numbers under different conditions prove this technology delivers real-world results, not laboratory fantasies. During sunny conditions, these wings generate 25 kilowatts of continuous power, extending the 500m base range by 30%. That's 450 extra miles, reaching 1,950 miles total range. Picture flying from Los Angeles to Denver, then continuing to Kansas City without ever touching down. Even under cloudy conditions, the system still outputs 10 kilowatts, adding 15% range for an additional 225 m, bringing the total range to 1,725 miles. During night flights or low-light conditions, the aircraft relies on its massive 100 kWh battery system that's 30% denser than 2023 battery models, easily maintaining that impressive 1,500-mile base range that already surpasses most traditional aircraft. The breakthrough in solar panel design goes beyond just power generation. These panels feature a self-healing polymer coating that automatically repairs micro-cracks from debris impacts or turbulent stress, ensuring 95% efficiency even after 1,000 flights. Their aerodynamic integration maintains the plane's critical lift-to-drag ratio. Unlike the bulky retrofitted solar designs that other manufacturers bolt onto existing aircraft as afterthoughts, Tesla engineered these panels as integral structural components that actually improve aerodynamic performance while generating power. Tesla's exclusive advantage combines its proven battery expertise with SpaceX-inspired solar innovation, creating something no other manufacturer can replicate. This aircraft offers seniors sustainable long-haul flights with wings that fold for garage convenience without compromising solar performance. While other companies are still figuring out basic electric propulsion, Tesla has solved the entire equation, including power generation, storage, efficiency, and practicality in one integrated system that works in your driveway. Now, here's what we want to know from you. Would you push for 1,950 miles in summer light or plan a 1,725-mile shoulder season run? Drop the keyword $79,797 in the comments so we know you caught the promise and the price. 3. How does Tesla's bird strike avoidance tech keep you safe in the skies? For decades, birds have caused billions in aviation damage. But Tesla's super electric plane sees them coming before they strike and keeps you safe like never before. For men who value security and control, this plane lets you fly with confidence, knowing you're protected from one of aviation's biggest threats. Feel the peace of mind that comes with cutting-edge safety technology that traditional aviation manufacturers never even attempted to solve. Here's the revolutionary BioRadar artificial intelligence system that makes this aircraft smarter than every bird in the sky combined. Tesla deployed a sophisticated network of LiDAR and radar sensors directly inspired by their 2025 full self-driving suite that already protects millions of drivers on American highways. These sensors continuously scan a 1-mile radius in real time, detecting individual birds or entire flocks with 99% accuracy. The artificial intelligence system predicts collision risks using machine learning algorithms trained on over 10 million flight patterns, weather conditions, and bird migration data collected from across North America. When the system detects potential danger, the flight safety first mechanism adjusts altitude or course automatically in milliseconds, successfully avoiding 95% of potential strikes before the pilot even realizes danger existed. This technology gets even more critical because bird strikes represent one of aviation's most persistent and expensive problems that the industry has simply accepted as an unavoidable cost of flying. According to Federal Aviation Administration data from 2024, bird strikes cause $1.22 billion in damages annually across all aviation sectors, with 15% of private plane accidents directly linked to bird encounters. These aren't just minor incidents. Bird strikes have destroyed engines, shattered windshields, and forced emergency landings that have traumatized pilots and passengers for life. Traditional aviation has essentially thrown up its hands and said it's just part of flying. But Tesla approached this problem the same way they approached automotive safety, by refusing to accept that accidents are inevitable. Tesla's senior-friendly design ensures that this advanced protection system enhances, rather than complicates, the flying experience for older pilots. Clear visual alerts appear on a massive 20-inch dashboard display with simple messages like flock detected, rerouting that keep pilots informed without creating stress or confusion. The system operates with full automation, reducing pilot workload significantly, which is absolutely ideal for seniors who want to enjoy flying without managing complex threat assessments that younger pilots might handle more easily. The interface uses large, high-contrast fonts and intuitive graphics that don't require perfect vision or lightning-fast reflexes to understand. Tesla's exclusive advantage lies in its proactive approach that completely reimagines aviation safety philosophy. Unlike traditional planes that rely on passive bird strike mitigation methods like reinforced windshields or engine inlet barriers, Tesla's BioRadar artificial intelligence prevents collisions entirely before they occur. This gives seniors unmatched safety and peace of mind that simply doesn't exist in any other aircraft available today. Traditional manufacturers are still building stronger windshields to survive bird impacts, while Tesla eliminated the need for impacts altogether through predictive technology. Think about this for a moment. How many times have you driven your Tesla and watched it automatically brake for hazards you never even saw coming? Now, imagine that same protective intelligence surrounding you at 15,000 feet above ground, constantly scanning the skies and keeping you safe from threats that have plagued aviation since the Wright brothers first took flight. If you felt that jolt of possibility when you heard "finally here," you felt what millions of quieter, smarter flights will feel like. Type out below if yes. And stay curious. And we'll see you in the next one, where we pull back another curtain and show you what the future really looks like.